What's up guys, I'm James. Welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. We are here in Rec Room running natively on the Oculus Quest 2. I have Bobby Console with me. I've got Flyaway Twin with me. And we are going to go battle Godzilla. We are also going to run through an obstacle course, jumping from poop log to poop log. And we're also going to, maybe if we have time, play some bowling. If you want to jump to any of those things, I will have timestamps down below in the description. So without further delay, let's jump into it.
Blocks, you got join us. We're gonna go. I think that's a bot. Is that a...
That's what we're about to go see CHONKZILLA here at the theater. It got a 9 out of 10 and a 6.8 out of 10. Ooh, they're tough. Let's go find a seat. Come on. Whoa. Where do you guys want to sit?
It's just a little
whippersnappers. Get out of my way. I'll teach you a lesson.
All right, let me sit down here. Where's Bobby? Hi, Bobby. There's CHONKZILLA. Look at him, he's chonking the out of the buildings.
Movie. Look at that.
He's chonking the out of them.
Hey, Sunset Cinema, isn't that where we're?
Did it scare ya?
Oh, yeah.
I need a weapon.
Where did Chonk go? Oh, there he is.
Oh, here we go. Where's Chonks? Where did Chonks go? Ah, take that, Chonks.
Oh, watch the hand, buddy.
Oh! Whoa, oh. How many hits do we have to get on this?
We gotta get a lot more. We gotta get 120 more hits.
Quick,
grab onto something.
Can I let go?
Cake.
Got this guy. Where did Chonks go? Oh.
Behind you.
Ah! Oh! Do these come preloaded?
You stinky.
Yep.
There he is.
Double shot to the eyes. Ah! Oh, he's gonna blast us. Run! Oh, what are you getting me with the hand? Oh, I think I'm officially out. I'll watch the last. All right. Couple of extra points there. I like that.
Spectacular fashion.
What do we got down here?
Prop designer.
Look at these swords. Those are really cool. Wow.
So, we gotta escape.
Boom.
Ah, we're friends now. You even want to be? Ah, you can be friends with me forever. I suckered you into be my friend. Woo! I'm gonna be the best friend ever, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Wait, do I have
You're
any?
gonna scare. You're scaring your friends away.
No, I'm forcing them to think and cherish our friendship. Look at him trying to steal my friends by giving them presents. But I will take one of these. What is this? Ooh, sarsaparilla.
Get you
Get you some of that sarsaparillas.
When you talk to me the way you talk to me before, I don't even know what to do.
Bobby's on the sauce again.
You say a lot of stuff.
Bobby's always on the sauce. You're not gonna make this obstacle course because of the sauce you're putting down.
You say a lot of stuff.
You're gonna be so tipsy you can't do this.
Bobby, you better be able to balance yourself.
No.
You gotta pace and balance yourself throughout the night. Ha!
You don't know my life.
Ah!
Wait, can we just...
Yes! I did it on my first try! Reverse punches! Reverse punches!
You gotta wait for me. You
You know what, friend? You snooze, you lose.
I got
was
it.
jumping on the pencils.
You gotta jump. Oh, wait, no! You gotta jump on the pencils, right? Yeah.
Oh,
Off the array. What is this, a locker or a giant eraser? What is that?
Come on, you bunch of stinky butts.
I got it.
Alright, so got a zigzaggy on this one.
Where did the muscle man go?
This school looks just like my high school.
That flooded?
No, that's just how we kept it. Friend, not everybody has to have the same high school you have. Find the exit.
None of us had the same high school.
Oh, come. Oh, it's up here. It's up here.
Is it up? So...
We're sneaking through the vents.
Whee!
Impossible.
Wait, whoa. Okay. Oh, don't just walk. Ah, I did it. maybe we should wait here for a second to see if Fran makes it.
Fran, did you start at the beginning, Shug?
Shug. Shug.
Shug.
That's our new nickname. So are we not waiting for her? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I'm already here. Free real estate. Free real estate. Hey, free real estate.
Sounds legit.
Sounds right.
Let me give you all my money. Fran got glitched out, so we're gonna have a quick pizza pie here. Oh, here she is. We waited for her.
There she is.
Good thing we got this pizza to
I
hold
have to
us.
start all the way back to the beginning.
Ah, Fran, we're eating pizza.
How do I get past this?
Damn, this pizza's good. Fran,
It's this one.
it's too bad you don't know how to get over here and you can't come eat this pizza and we're gonna eat it all before you get over here.
And in the
Oh,
middle,
it's so good.
In the middle.
Oh, it's
Get some of this. Get some of this pie. Come on, Shug. Get some of this pie.
okay. 2016 was when Rec Room was made.
Lucifer.
Lucifer's correct.
Yeah, I saw him.
iOS. I said iOS.
Samsung.
I like stuttered out there.
Samsung on iPhone.
I totally
Samsung.
glitched. I'm like, I couldn't read it. Ha! 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 Hoi! Okay. So we...
Free real estate.
very real estate. This part is so hard, I think, from what I remember.
Just jump.
You just jump. Oh, I made it.
Oh, no. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm not waiting for nobody. Oh! Wait, did I make it? I think I made it.
All right, so we're gonna flush ourselves.
All right, yeah,
We
so
gotta-
find the exit. We got to go down the toilet. I mean, that's the obvious choice. Go ahead. You first. You second. I'll go third.
Loggy dookies.
There's the big poops.
This is legit poop.
I told you, we're going to be jumping on some giant poops today.
Dukes, look at these dookie logs.
Can we make it to this giant poop over here?
But
There we go. Whoa.
Oh, he just. Nah, you gotta touch all the dookies.
Oh. Let me watch you jump the poops there, Bobby.
What is that? What is that greeting? What is that?
I mean, here's the thing. Sometimes if you eat certain foods, your poop will come out green. And it's perfectly healthy. Don't get paranoid. I mean, it's just a body function that happens, you know? You could even see a dog poop outside that would be white if it's been in the sun too long.
Very true. That's a sun scorch.
So the name of the game here is don't
Very
touch
rare,
the poops.
Very rare. That's a very rare poop.
It is a rare
The
poop.
sun
It's actually
scorch.
worth
It
money.
is. If you
People
find
used to buy
hold
houses.
on
It was
to
like the tulip bubble of the Netherlands back in the 1600s or whatever. Whoa. Oh, we're friends now. So wait, do we go through this door?
Yeah.
Or do...
Consistency
Whoa.
of the Duke.
Or do we go through the toilet in here?
Let's try the toilet.
No way! Flyaway Twin made it!
Can I go through this one?
Ah.
No, we can't.
It just what, sends you back around?
No,
we gotta go
there's
through here, right?
nothing.
Come on. Come on, Fran. Yeah, there she is.
Got it.
Okay, we gotta go up this way. Now this is where I don't know where to go any further. If this guy might know. He might know how to lead us. Do you know how to lead us out of
maze
here?
action.
No, he doesn't. We're guys.
He's
From head to
shaking his
toe,
head
we are
real
screwed.
hard.
Let's stick together like walla walla walla, wibbity whoopsie-doo.
What you gotta
Okay.
do is keep your hand on the right wall and just follow it all the way around.
Yeah, but
That's
my
the
hand
one
clips
way to solve a
through
maze.
the wall. I'm completely lost though.
Butterscotch booty cakes.
What do you guys
so
think?
Maybe it's on the right or the left side. the other
Sense of
side?
direction
Let's go
is
this way.
not my jam. I will go in a circle for 78 hours straight.
Following me?
I don't know who I'm following. I'm just following people that are not myself.
Found it.
Wait, Fran, we split off and
You found it?
he found it.
Where is he?
I have no idea. We have to follow his voice. Where? Oh, there he is. He's right over here, Fran.
Chimichangas. Chimichangas.
Did you find it?
There you go.
Oh, we gotta go through here.
Yep.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh,
Whoa.
get trolled. Here to restart.
Click here to
Oh,
restart.
click here. Not get your minds out of the gutters, boys and girls. Wait, where am I? We're back at the
little runny
poops. We're back at the poops.
That was not the exit.
Oh, that was a decoy.
He says, follow me. We gotta follow
All right,
the
let's follow
muscle
him.
man.
I mean, I trust this person more than I trust myself.
He seems so confident.
He does, and that's why I totally trust him. One time, there was this guy in a van. He seemed so confident. When I was a kid, I got in the van, and I got raised by different parents.
Where'd you go?
He's going this way. I don't know. I'm following him. I trust him with my life. I met him 5 seconds ago, but, I mean, good enough for me.
Over here.
Papa,
Follow me.
Papa, where did you go? There he is. Remember when Bobby Console was alive and playing with us? What?
That was just a million turns.
Now what? Where are we going?
We're stuck. Oh wait, go down.
Ah! Wow, there's cars.
Hey, we got out.
Does that mean we won?
We got out.
Yes!
We won.
But we have to cross
did
the...
it.
No, we got to cross the street. We're not done.
Woo!
We got to get to that door over there, I think, without getting hit by a car.
Well.
I'm going! No! Did I make it? I made it.
Oh no, I got hit.
Oh, Fran got splattered.
I didn't.
Come on, Fran, you could do it. You did it! Yes!
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I don't even know if we were supposed to do that.
That's the trick. Oh.
Yay! We gotta wait for it. Come on, Fran, nice and slow. Oh, you hit the chair on your
What
right.
happened?
You hit the chair on your right.
Oh. Okay, let me put my arms
There
in.
you go.
Yay!
Cheeseburgers. Oh, I can't touch the don't touch the cheeseburgers. We gotta avoid all. Ah. All right. It's just like avoid all these objects. Hey, I didn't touch anything. That's a lie. It's a downright lie. What the hell? Oh, let's see. What do we do? Jump to the tire? Ah. Now what? Hey, we escaped.
Congrats,
Yes.
you escaped.
Woo. Yeah, Fran, put him there.
High five.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yes. Bowling time.
It's been a while since we played bowling.
You guys ready? Let's play.
It's
Bobby, I'm
turn.
watching you from like a perfect angle. Let me see what you're made
Okay,
of.
I'm gonna make the best comeback
You
ever.
gotta
I'm gonna go
kiss it.
from 0 to infinity.
Well, Fran. Oh, damn, Bobby. Bobby, what the hell?
What the hell? You
Daddy
gotta
knows how to play.
Oh, this is hard. I quit. I don't like anything. I quit life. I literally almost walked into like an arcade machine or something.
Purple's your lucky color.
All right, I'm gonna get here just for technique on the video here. I lined up so you can see me from a side profile. Here we go. That's how it's done.
Muscle man, you got it right
Oh,
here.
that's what I need to do next time.
You gotta see pros in New Zealand do it. So
Why am I getting strikes every time over here?
Never met.
Oh, it's slow, but it is slow, but it is straight. Let's be honest, between you and me. That's looking good. Gonna require a little more power on that one. You could do
It
it.
hurt. Damn it! It hurt.
Oh.
Ooh, it's looking good. Oh,
Oh.
that's looking pretty good.
Damn right.
Oh,
Ooh. Guys, he's doing it today.
Whoa.
By the way, we all got a lot of money on this game.
I'm, like,
We're,
hitting
we're
my
betting
stupid
15
desk.
bitcoins each.
you don't do well under pressure.
And well, I do usually. See now that you said that, friend?
Dude.
Who do you think you are? I am! I really got to get these guys going because they're getting tired out there on the bowling alley.
Some wake up juice over here.
Here you go, Fran. Here, Franny. Who wants some coffee?
Started off good, Bobby. I'll take some
Whatever.
coffee.
Here you go, Franny. Here, Bobby. You really got to juice up here. Let me get you some coffee.
I think
Here you go, buddy.
I'll do better caffeinated.
Yeah!
I think you play this game a lot.
Oh, here we are. Ooh.
That was funny. Overhand.
He's doing this overhand technique, as you see here. It's a new technique he picked up.
Never doubt the muscle.
Oh, and as you can see, he has perfected it, ladies and gentlemen. He has perfected it.
This is a tense battle.
Now he's trying to pick it up
between the two
here.
of them.
He's got to take a lot of concentration on this. Breathing technique. Here it goes.
Dookie technique.
Squish. Oh my God. Dude, you launched that like the entire way. It didn't even hit the lane until the very end.
Here's how you do it.
Let me see. Give me a tutorial. Give me a tutorial.
You line up, and then look. You look down, and then you just got to make sure that you release. At the top.
Yeah, but what if you have... Oh, no, I didn't want to do that. That doesn't... I'm going to play basketball. I suck at this too.
Wait, can you throw a basketball down there?
Yeah. I mean, I personally can't. You might be able to. He's whacking you with a stick right now.
Oh, you're getting beaten by a pool stick.
Oh!
Oh
Wow.
my god.
Is there anything in these lockers over here? Ah! I found a pair of shoes! Look what I found. Yeah.
Bobby's got more strikes,
There we go.
Alright.
but you got a whole lot more
Stinky.
misses too.
I did. Well, I didn't have my technique perfected like the first.
Alright guys, we are going to end the video there. Thank you for sticking with us. Thank you to the Muscle Man for joining us, helping us through the maze. Thank you for Flyaway Twin and Bobby Console for joining us. And thank you to all of you for sticking with us to the end. We'll check you in the next one.